Hello, it's Shea Beauty and welcome to my channel. I'm starting this video off with freshly washed hair. I just did a video dedicated to the Wetline Xtreme gel, this right here, and I had phenomenal results, and I actually had a really nice wash and go, and it lasted me for the 2 weeks. So I finally washed my hair and now it is time to style. So I'm thinking, what style do I want to do? And I decided that I want to give this gel another try. So I know that it gave me great results with a wash and go. Now I want to know if it's going to give me great results with one of my other go-to styles, a Twistout. And I'm just going to experiment and see if this gel is not only good for a wash and go, but also a Twistout. I want to see how this gel holds up. A Twistout is really easy. So that's why I'm doing that as opposed to a perm rod out. So my hair has been drying in that t-shirt for almost an hour now. I was playing with my babies and I'm going to section my hair off into fours. You already know the deal. And my hair, it feels so good and my scalp is so clean. There's no buildup. Yeah, I'm just parting my hair nice and clean. I'm not going to leave these twists in as a protective style, so the parting isn't so important. I just want to make sure that I do have clean parts. Let's see, for the back, I'm probably going to just section it off into fours, and then I'm going to do my leave-in conditioner and my oil. So if you're new to my channel or if you haven't watched my past couple of videos, what I have been doing is just applying the leave-in conditioner and then the oil, apply that on all four sections, and then go back to the first section, and then I'm going to apply my cream, my gel, just my styler. I find that by doing that, it just gives me better results. And that section is already prepped for whatever styler that I'm gonna use, and my hair, it feels so good. So it's like the leave-in conditioner and the oil is marinating while I'm working on the other section. So by the time that I do get to that side, it just feels so good. And I noticed that my styles are looking a lot better and they're lasting a lot longer too. So now I'm just using my mister bottle and I'm just gonna spray this section, get it nice and moisturized before I apply the leave-in conditioner in. So make sure when you do moisturize your hair, because water is a moisturizer alone, that you do get all of your hair from the roots to the ends. You don't want to leave out your ends because they are the oldest and they do need the most TLC, they need the most nourishment, the most conditioning, they need the most love. So don't neglect the ends. So that looks really good. I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. This is by Shea Moisture. It's the 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment, and this has coconut milk in it, so it's a little creamy. It's not too liquidy. I really like this and my hair likes it too. So when I'm trying out different styles, I make sure to use products that I know work well in my hair. I'm not gonna try any new products right now because I am experimenting on whether or not this Wetline Xtreme gel is going to work in my hair. And make sure that you get in the middle. My hair just drinks it up. Really likes this leave-in conditioner. So that's how I know products work well in my hair, when my hair is really absorbing it. And now I'm gonna be using my oil. This is sweet almond oil, and I've been using sweet almond oil for years, and it has really been helping in my natural hair journey. This is a fresh bottle, so let me just open it. So use a good amount of this oil and then massage it on my scalp and on the length of my hair. I just want to make sure that my scalp does have that oil in there. I don't want a dry scalp at all. And I know that my ends, they need a little bit of a trim. I was just waiting for my postpartum hair loss to subside, and it has, and I've just been waiting a little bit just to make sure that all the postpartum hair shedding is gone. So I will be giving myself a little trim probably next wash day. I can tell that my hair is really, really healthy. See, you can tell that your hair is drinking it up. And I can tell here my curls are clumping together and they look really good. So now I'm just going to twist this section. And then I'm gonna work on the other 3 sections of hair. Okay, so I have finished putting the leave-in conditioner and the oil in. Now I'm going to twist my hair. I'm just gonna do flat twist going downwards. I think that will be the best decision to make. So I do have a video on how I flat twist my hair. Check the iCard right here if you'd like to see it. But I will show you one, how I do it in the back, and so you could see. But if you want a full in-depth tutorial, check the iCard out. So I am going to take this gel. Let's see how it does. To start the flat twist, all I do is part a small section of hair going vertically down, and then I am going to apply a good amount of the gel, about a quarter size amount, and work it well into my hair. And I'm also making sure that I do get the ends of my hair, and once I'm satisfied with the amount, it feels really good in that section, I am going to use a rat tail comb and make sure that my hair is nice and smooth and tangle free before I start the flat twist. As I've already mentioned, I do have a dedicated tutorial on how I flat twist my hair. I will also provide a link to all the videos pertaining to flat twists below in the description box. I will also apply more gel if I feel that the section of hair needs it, and I will also comb out and just make sure that section of hair is nice and smooth as I'm twisting my hair down. That's one of the key components to having a successful twist out. And I'm going to continue this process on the rest of my hair. There seems to be a good amount of people that have inquired about my scalp and why it is red, so I have done more research and I have come to the conclusion that it is a birthmark. There's nothing wrong, it doesn't hurt, and I am okay. Okay, so I have flat twisted all of my hair, and here's how it looks. I still notice some of the gel peeking through. Hopefully it will dry clear by tomorrow. So hopefully my twist out is going to look really good. I am hoping for a successful twist out. I just wanted to show you my hair before I wrapped it up with my favorite bonnet. So all my hair is tucked in there, and now I am ready for bed. So I will see you in the morning. Okay, I am back. It's been about a few days since I last filmed. A lot has been going on, but nonetheless, I am back to finish this tutorial. So here is how my hair looks. It's been about 4 days. I've had my hair either in my bonnet if I'm at home, but if I did go out, I just had a wrap on like a scarf, and then I just tied the wrap in the back like a nice big bun. It looked really cute. So now it's time to take the flat twist out. I'm going to put a little bit of almond oil on my hair, and also I did mist my hair with a little bit of water, and I sprayed my oil mix on my hair, so I kept that moisture in and prevented my hair from getting dry, because I don't want that. I really made an attempt to make this style look good, so I want to preserve it, have it look really nice as possible. So I'm just going to start unraveling the twist in the back first. I'm going to unravel the twist like this and gently pull. And I have a lot of definition. My hair is really nice and soft, which is a good sign. So I'm really just taking my time. This looks really nice. I really love this definition, and I'll just show you my hair in the back. I know some of you are probably like, no, let me see the back, so let me show you the back right now. So there's definitely a lot of shrinkage. I could pull this one down all the way down here, and it goes all the way back up, so that's something to consider. Ooh, this definition. I just know a little bit towards the end there is a little bit of frizz. That could also be because it's been a couple days since I last flat twisted my hair, but I can already see that the definition is already good, so that doesn't bother me at all. And my curls, they look so shiny too. So not only are they defined, but they have a nice sheen to them, which is really good. I really like that. I want my curls to look nice and healthy, have some bounce and sheen to them. And I might just wear my hair in a middle part. I rarely have a middle part in my hair. I'm always parting to this side. This looks really nice, really nice. My hair is nice and soft and defined. And I'm gonna finish and unravel these twists on the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I have unraveled all of the twists, and here is how my hair looks. I just love this definition, and I'm going to fluff my hair and pick it up just so I have a little bit more volume. So I am gonna use my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to start picking from the roots. And I just noticed that my edges right here, well, thank goodness my postpartum hair loss has come to a stop. My hair has been growing back really nicely here, but I am just going to use a little bit of edge control. And I got this Yummy Edges when I was in Atlanta for the We Buy Black convention. I have used this maybe 3 times since then, and I do like it. And now I'm gonna use this brush. This is a really nice brush. It's really dense, and that's what I like for my brushes. And I'm just going to slick my edges back. And we have Zanai here, my little daughter. She was watching me film. She's intrigued by all of these goodies here on my desk, right? Ooh. Say hi. Yeah, you have a lot to say. Yeah, and say we are about to go out. All right, so here are my final results. I just felt like my hair looked a little flat on this side, but I am loving these results overall. I really love this gel. The Wetline Xtreme gel worked really well in my hair when I did a wash and go. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure that you do. The iCard is right here. Just click this link. And now for my Twistout. The results are really good. My hair is nice and soft. It's not hard or crunchy, and I think that's also because I used the leave-in conditioner and I used this oil, so it's not like I went straight in with the gel, but I really love these results, and I really hope that you enjoyed my video. And as always, thank you so much for your support, your continued support. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.